Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to have a bit of an upgrade to the Polytunnel. Bought a couple of these, so we're going to build these up, and we're doing this side. We've got the mini greenhouses on this side, some shelving here. The cover's probably going to have to be renewed next year, but for this year anyway, it'll be a much easier to maintain. So let's see what we've got in the box. Bought a few of these, so I've got with every set you get one of these. With this one you get a pair of gloves, probably health and safety. I've never had gloves before, but I've got say about 5, 6, 7 of these. Obviously nuts and bolts. You've got your sides. And unlike the other ones I've built, you've got these things that go in the corners once they're built, which is probably again a safety issue because the things are razor sharp. One thing I would mention, if you're going to be building raised beds, use a box spanner. So I better put my gloves on to demonstrate health and safety, and I'm a responsible adult. Had a quick look at the instructions. I think it's a man thing. Then the rest of you just bowl in there and think, yeah, this will be easy. And then it all goes horribly wrong. So anyway, let's have a look at this. 4 of these. You need 1 of these. Hand tight. This is when the bolt spanner comes in, extremely handy. That one there. Tighten them up. shouldn't be condoning this, but I can't be working with gloves on, so we'll bin the health and safety, but don't tell anybody. So I'd just like to thank all my new subscribers. I've had quite a few. I get a lot of views, but I don't get a lot of people subscribing. So if you could hit the subscribe button, which is round about here, I'd really appreciate it. It helps the channel. Right, on the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you subscribed? Excellent, thanks. Right, I'm not going to bore you watching me building these, so cut to me when I've got one built. That's one built. And like I said before, but mess man, never read the instructions. Sorry guys if you're watching this with your better halves. I hope you're not sitting there saying, see, told you, keep telling you, told you. But let's put you in for a closer look. So that's the plastic tops on them. So I'm going to have one here, the other one here, which I'm not building tonight. I'll probably do that early weekend. Then I'll get them filled up with compost and other compostable materials, which I'll explain on the next one. So if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. I thought they were quite flimsy when I took them out of the box, but once they're built they're actually quite solid. So, and the one that, and I've had quite a good price as well, to be fair. So if you want to know how much they were, where I got them for, drop a comment below. I might even post a link. So anyway, that's all for me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.